Look at Pinto is staring. What's that?
You were right. That was something.
Why is it not running?
It's very strange. Stop a minute, Jeffrey. You really shouldn't approach. It could be rabid.
Well, I think it's looking for food. Bargain. Throw a rock at it?
Jeffrey, I think that's a coyote. Pretty sure that's a coyote.
What do we do?
I'm not sure.
Google it. What do you do when you see a coyote?
Yeah, that's a coyote face. And we got this little dog. I don't have a leash. Ugh. What's this thing doing? This is a little nerve-wracking.
What do you do when you see a coyote on the trail?
What the heck?
When you see a coyote on a trail, don't run.